In this video, I'm going to show you two things, just two things that you can do to become successful in business. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I wanted to do this video as I still remember as if it was like yesterday, and I want to share just these couple of things that you can do to become successful. I want to share with you just a couple of things about creating success, about changing what you do and how you think about success, which will alter what you actually do to create it. What I'm about to share, I feel, will be very helpful for you. Very helpful if you want to create success for your online business, if you want to make money, or if you have a goal that you want to strive for. So let's talk about it. There's really two options that you can do when you want to grow a business, when you want to start something that you've never done before. There's always that unknown, that fear, and that's totally normal. When I first started seeing people create success, I had that fear of not knowing if I could create it myself, not knowing if I was capable of doing it, scared as if I would fail. Could I create an online business? Could I make a passive income? Can I do what other people are doing? Could I create enough money to give me financial freedom? And could I help others in the process? I started seeing lots and lots more people doing it, making money, being successful. So I started to believe that if they could do it, I could do it. That gave me the idea that I wanted to try even more, the passion, the feeling, getting rid of that fear and feeling that I can do it, believing in myself. So no matter where you are in your journey, if you are just starting out or if you have started but looking to grow, it comes down to two options. You have two options here. The first option is what most people are already doing, and that is nothing. They don't change anything. And what happens when you don't change anything? Nothing. It all stays the same. So if you're happy with your life, if you're happy with the results and the way everything is going, and if you want to remain the same, then that's great. More power to you. But more often than not, people want something different. People want change. People want more money. People want to make their lives better. So option two is to make a change. You've got to make a change. You have to make a change. Take that step and take action. That's what you're going to need to do. I don't know what you're doing right now to grow your business. I don't even know if you've even started your business, or whether it's just still a thought in your head. I know a lot of people start an online business and fail. Then they start something else and they fail. So what happens is, because of failure or not getting the results soon enough, they never attempt it again. They never attempt it again. When I first started, I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what to do, and I certainly didn't know the first thing about business. I did crap at school. But because I've seen so many people making money and becoming successful, I wanted some. I wanted to be successful. I want that life. So I took action and made that step and I failed. So I went back to my day job. Weeks went by and I continued to see others making lots of success and lots of money. And again, I want some. So I learned some more and I took action again. And I failed. Only this time, instead of leaving it weeks and weeks, I went back to learning more. And I went back to trying again, and again, and again. Learning more and more, taking action and trying new ways. So I decided to change the way I thought, the way I think, and the way I went about it. I started to plan things. I started to think more positive and started to even think about my failures and where I went wrong, how I could learn from those mistakes, build on them, think of them as a positive, as a learning curve, as of learning in life sort of thing. Then I decided, instead of wanting to make more money, I wanted to help others learn and become successful like myself. Not that I'm successful, I mean I wanted to teach and help them become successful as I want to be successful. But instead of wanting money, I wanted to help them. And that's where my mind shifted from being greedy, being selfish, to basically the different way I thought about things. So I decided to focus on helping others, and that changed my whole attitude. It wasn't all about me. It's about helping others. You have to change. You have to change the way you think, the way you act, the way you do things. You have to take action, otherwise nothing will ever happen. You will stay the same, nothing will change, and you continue to want or wish you had something different. So I say, take that step. Go for it. You'll never know unless you try. And if you fail, learn from that failure and build on it for the next time. The more you try, the better you'll become. My mum used to tell me, practice makes perfect. So if you fail, learn. Try again. Get up and smile. So I want to encourage you guys. Do something about it. Do something different. Push yourself out of that comfort zone. Make a change for the better. I say it's time to make a change. It's time for something different. Maybe it's something you've never done before. Or it could be something you have and you want to do it again, but better. But actually stick to it this time. Stick to it until you start seeing results. This video is basically to hopefully encourage you and give you that kick up the bum, so to speak. Take action take action towards your goals, people. I tried, failed, I tried and failed, just like many successful people out there who are now loving life and very successful. So if they can do it, guys, and I'm sort of doing it, as learning as we go, you can do it too, guys. Just go for it. Take that step. Don't be scared. We're all in it together. So we're going into a new week soon. It's now the weekend as of tomorrow. So it's a new week, time for a new start. We're still at the beginning of the year, well, close to the beginning of the year. It's time for that new start. So I hope you got some value out of this. Hope I can give you that little bit of encouragement, because yes, it is scary. Yes, you are going to have hard times. You are going to have your struggles. Could be daily, could be weekly, could even be monthly. But if you keep at it, guys, you keep moving forward and change the way you think, change the way you act, and you will get there, guys. Push yourself out of that comfort zone. give yourself that challenge, prove to yourself, and give yourself more in life. I don't know what your goals are, what you want, but I want more. I don't want to just go to work, come home and have that sort of lifestyle. I want to work hard and enjoy life, give my sons everything, and even enjoy some myself, and along the way help others, give them what they want, help them, because there's lots of money out there, guys, and there's lots of people making it, lots of people learning it. So let's jump on that train and let's make some of ourselves, guys. So that being said, guys, back to business. So hope you got some value out of this, and if you did, please give me a like, it helps the channel. Give me a comment if you're going to take some action, and if you've not already done so, guys, please subscribe, hit the notification, and until next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire, and see you next time.